Nerve damage can show up in different ways: pins and needles in your hands or feet, burning sensations, or numbness that makes everyday tasks difficult. While treatment from a doctor is important, what you eat can also make a big difference. In this video, we'll count down 5 of the best foods for nerve repair and 5 of the worst foods that may be holding your nerves back. Make sure to stay with us until the end, because the number 1 food to avoid might surprise you. Let's start with number 5, apples and onions. 2 everyday foods you might not think of for nerve health, apples and onions, are actually rich in a compound called quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. According to research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, quercetin can help nerves repair by supporting remyelination, improving conduction, and protecting against neuropathic pain. Quercetin also supports circulation, which ensures damaged nerves get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Adding an apple to your daily routine or using onions generously in cooking is a simple way to take advantage of these nerve protective benefits. Number 4, turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries as a healing spice, and modern research confirms its benefits for nerves. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown to reduce nerve pain, protect against further damage, and even promote regeneration by encouraging nerve cells to repair themselves. Studies published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences also show that curcumin can improve how efficiently nerve signals travel. Adding turmeric to meals or enjoying it as a tea can give your body a daily dose of this natural nerve protector. Number 3, cherries. Cherries are packed with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep red color. These natural compounds have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, helping protect nerves from oxidative stress and calming inflammation that worsens neuropathy. Some research points to anthocyanins improving nerve function and reducing pain sensitivity, making cherries especially valuable for people with chronic nerve issues. The Environmental Working Group often lists cherries on its Dirty Dozen list of produce with the highest pesticide residues, so choosing organic when possible, or washing them thoroughly, can help you enjoy their benefits more safely. Fresh cherries or unsweetened cherry juice are simple, tasty ways to give your nerves extra support. Moving on to our list at number 2, chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent source of vitamin B6, a nutrient essential for nerve function. B6 helps balance neurotransmitters, the brain chemicals that control pain signals and communication between nerves. Without enough B6, nerve transmission becomes less efficient, which can lead to tingling, numbness, or pain. Chickpeas also provide protein and fiber, which help keep blood sugar steady, lowering the risk of diabetes-related nerve damage. Adding chickpeas to salads, soups, or hummus can be a nerve-friendly addition to your diet. Last but not least, the number 1 food on our list: saffron, one of the world's most prized spices. Saffron contains unique compounds called crocin and safranol, which have neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests they can help reduce nerve pain, improve nerve function, and even protect against degeneration. Saffron may also support mood and mental health, which is important since chronic nerve pain often affects emotional well-being. Although it's used in small amounts, saffron can be added to rice dishes, teas, or stews to provide both flavor and powerful nerve-healing benefits. But just as some foods can help your nerves repair, others can quietly make the damage worse. Let's take a look at 5 of the most common foods that can harm your nerves and slow down recovery. Let's start with number 5, refined sugar and sweets. Refined sugar is one of the biggest culprits in worsening nerve damage. Every time you eat foods high in added sugar, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. This roller coaster puts stress on nerves, fueling inflammation and oxidative stress. Over time, high sugar intake damages the tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to nerves, one reason why people with diabetes often develop neuropathy. Cutting back on sweets, soda, and sugary treats is one of the most important steps you can take for long-term nerve health. But what about artificial sweeteners? They may not raise blood sugar the same way, but research suggests they aren't harmless. A long-term study published in Neurology in 2025 found that people who consumed high amounts of artificial sweeteners, including aspartame and saccharin, experienced faster cognitive decline, equal to about an extra 1.6 years of brain aging over 8 years. The decline was even stronger in people with diabetes and those under 60. Other studies have shown that sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can trigger oxidative stress, disrupt the blood-brain barrier, and even harm nerve cells directly. In short, swapping sugar for artificial sweeteners isn't the solution. It's better to limit both. If you still crave something sweet, whole fruits are your safest bet. They come packaged with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that actually support nerve health. Next on our list at number 4, processed meats. Foods like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in preservatives, nitrates, and unhealthy fats. These compounds fuel inflammation and reduce blood flow to nerves, slowing down their ability to repair. Some studies suggest processed meats can worsen nerve pain and interfere with healing after injury. Choosing fresh protein sources instead can make a real difference. Number 3, high-sodium foods. A high-salt diet doesn't just raise blood pressure, it also harms your nerves over time. Too much sodium damages blood vessels, limiting the flow of oxygen and nutrients that nerves need to repair themselves. Poor circulation makes it harder for nerves to heal after injury and increases the risk of neuropathy. Excess sodium also triggers more inflammation throughout the body, which can irritate already damaged nerves. According to the American Heart Association, most adults should aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, but many people get far more without realizing it. Packaged snacks, canned soups, frozen meals, and fast food are some of the biggest hidden sources. Reading nutrition labels and choosing low-sodium options can make a real difference in protecting nerve health. Number 2, excess alcohol. Alcohol has a direct toxic effect on nerves, and long-term heavy use can lead to alcoholic neuropathy, marked by pain, tingling, and weakness in the limbs. Alcohol also depletes B vitamins, especially thiamine, which nerves need to function properly. According to a review in Curious, restoring B vitamins can help with recovery, but the best protection is avoiding excess in the first place. So what counts as excess? Health experts generally define it as more than 1 drink per day for women and more than 2 drinks per day for men. Regularly drinking above those levels or frequent binge drinking puts your nerves at higher risk of damage. Number 1, gluten for sensitive individuals. For people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, eating gluten can trigger an autoimmune response that not only harms the gut but also the nerves. This condition, known as gluten neuropathy, has been linked to chronic nerve pain and damage. Gluten can also interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients like B12 and magnesium, which are critical for nerve health. But it's important to note, gluten is only a problem for those who are sensitive to it. Signs of sensitivity can include digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, or stomach pain, as well as fatigue, headaches, or unexplained tingling in the hands and feet. If you suspect gluten may be affecting you, the best step is to talk with a doctor and get tested before making big diet changes. For people without sensitivity, whole grains that contain gluten can still be part of a balanced, nerve-friendly diet. So, there you have it. 5 of the best foods to help repair your nerves, and 5 of the worst that can make nerve damage worse. The foods you eat every day can either help your nerves heal or quietly make the problem worse over time. Which of these foods surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more natural ways to support your nerves, don't miss our video on 12 foods that heal nerve damage naturally. You can watch it right here next. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future health tips. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can check out our merch linked below or use the Super Thanks button right under the video. Your support helps us keep creating content like this. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.